Hello students, today I will talk about series objects, attributes. Whenever we create series in Python, there are some attributes like size, data type, index, values, etc. are available through which we can get the information about the series. Let's see in Python ID. Now to demonstrate the use of attributes of series, I have created one series with 4 values. The first value is 100, then 300, then 400 and 800. Let's press enter key here. The series is created. Now I'm writing here s1.index. Now you can see here it is providing the list of indexes. The start index is 0, the last one is stop is 4 and the step is 1. So in this way we can see what is the range of indexes available for the given series. Now let us see what is the attribute values. So here I am writing s1.values. Now here you can see the 4 values are assigned here. So it is showing the first value is 100, then 300, then 400, then 800 and the type is int64. To know what type of data is there, we can just write s1.dtype and see here this is int64. So the type of data which is stored in the array is integer 64 bits. Another attribute is shape. So I'm writing here s1.shape. Let us see what is the output. Now here shape is showing you there are 4 elements in the given array. Now another attribute is NBytes. So if you want to see how many bytes are used for this array, just write s1.nbytes. You can see 32 bytes are used for storing array elements. There is attribute item size for retrieving the size of data. Now let us see how item size works. So I'm writing here s1.item size. The moment I press enter key, the output is here the total size is 8 because 4 elements are used for indexes and 4 for the values of an array. Retrieving shape means to find how many elements are there, and you already know that attribute is shape. Now you can see here s1.shape and there are 4 elements, so it is showing you 4. Another function is NBytes, which is used for finding the dimension, the size and the number of bytes. So number of bytes can be obtained by using NBytes, which is the number of elements multiplied by the size of each element in bytes. Now let's see, we can write here s1.nbytes and that will show you 32. That's correct. Emptiness of the series can be checked by using attribute empty. Now let us see, I'll try to create one empty series and I apply attribute. Now in this example, I am creating series S2 and that is empty series. Now you can see here empty series is created. If I want to check whether this is empty or not, I can write here s2.empty attribute and see here it is true. True means really this series is empty. You know very well S1 is already created. So let's see S1 is empty or not. So I'm using the attribute empty and let's see what is the output. False, because S1 is a series having 4 values. So it is not empty. So answer is false. We can also check whether the given series is having a missing value or not. So for that purpose the attribute is has NaNS. The series. Let us see the series S1 equal to pd.series. The first value is 100, second value is 200, third value is missing here, so I am writing NaN, and fourth value is here 300. Let's press enter key. The series is created. Now I am writing here S1 dot has NaNS. Now see, it is true. True means this is having a missing value. Let us create a series S2 is equal to pd.series. I am writing here 1, 2, 3 values and that is part of an array, so I am writing within a square bracket. Now you close this bracket, the series is created, and then if I write here s2 dot has NNS, and this is false because all the values are available, there is no missing value in the given series. If you want to calculate the number of elements stored in the series, we can use len within bracket series name. This function will count NN elements also. That means if any missing element is available in the array, the length will include that also. Now I am creating a new series with 4 values. First is 100, second is 200, third is missing. At this moment I am not knowing, so I am using NaN, and the last value is 500. The moment I press enter key, the series is created. Now if I write here len within bracket s1, let's see what is the output. Although the missing value is available here, but the number of elements it is showing 1, 2, 3, 4. That is why the output is 4. Now function count is also able to know the non-NN values in the series. Means if you want to exclude the missing values and you want to find the number of really elements present, you can use count function. Let's see. Now I'm using the function count. So series name is s1. So s1.count. The moment I press enter key, that is showing the number of elements present. So here it is crystal clear that len function is counting all the elements including missing number, whereas count function is counting how many elements are present. It does not include missing values.